Hey guys, so we're gonna get right into it. So pretty much I'm cutting off the bottom pair of my main pair of gray jeans and I'm just matching them up to another pair of gray jeans that I got. Both of them are from Goodwill. I know they're not gonna be the exact same color gray, but I'm trying to get them as close as humanly possible to give the best illusion for your flared or your stacked jean at the bottom. So what you see me doing here is pretty much cutting the base part of the, I guess the throwaway jeans. This is going to be your flared part. So this is what you're going to attach to the end of your main pair of jeans. I cut mine a little too short, so I went in and was like, I'm going to make it a little bit longer. So, of course, you can make that as a rip in your jeans, or you can literally sew that part up so your jeans can be a continuous flare. So now you see me just kind of matching it up at the bottom to make sure it looks good. So after here is pretty much self-explanatory. You're gonna just cut off random parts of the other like 4 or 5 pair of jeans that you bought. So just like the pockets, the zippers, the belt loops, the inside pockets, like any kind of lettering or anything that's like kind of like textured on the pair of jeans or on each pair of jeans, just cut that part off and you're gonna set that to the side and you're gonna use that to kind of build your main pair of jeans. So now the fun part, you're gonna literally take the jeans that you cut apart. You're gonna just start, playing with them and putting them all over your main pair of jeans just to see how you like them. Literally, I didn't have any special technique on how I did it. I just placed things anywhere. So you can see me stuffing like another layer under my flare. This is what I call the double stack method, and I just pretty much glue the second layer to the first layer in the inside where you see the cut at. You don't necessarily have to do this part. I only want to do it just because I want to give another look for the stacked denim. Yeah, like I said before, there's no technique on how I place the different scraps of jeans. I literally just started playing with the jeans and however I placed it. If I liked it, I pinned it down. If I didn't, I changed it around, move it to another place. So it's really no, special technique. Just do what you like, have fun with it. So once I pretty much love where I placed everything, I just started hot gluing it down with the industrial hot glue gun, so I know it's secure and it'll definitely stay for a long period of time. Like I said before, you're pretty much just hot gluing the second layer to the top layer of the jeans, just to give you that double stacked illusion. And now that your hot gluing is all done, you're gonna take the bottom parts of your jeans to the sewing machine, and you're gonna, of course, flip the right sides together, and you're gonna sew around the perimeter. If you want an in-depth, I guess, viewing of this, just go look at my stack jogger tutorial, and it'll definitely be a lot more helpful. But if you can just look at this video here, it could be easy for you too. And there you have it, guys, your personal own, very own designer stack jeans. You guys like, subscribe, comment, let me know how you felt about the video, and I'm going to keep you coming. Thanks, guys, for watching.